What's up, YouTube? I'm guessing this hot water heater is 5 to 7 years old. I should have put a date on it. There you go. Rusted out already. Is everything that they sell junk? Everything. It's fucking ridiculous. The junk. Complete garbage. Everything. And then people complain to me about why didn't this last long in the auto repair business. I can't even get 5 years out of a hot water heater. This house is 20 something years old. So the original one and this one. So I don't get it. Junk. Complete garbage.